Let me tell you how to measure length and distance. The ancient methods which are used in olden days are palm, span, cubit, fathom and foot.
Interesting.
Yes, but the hard measurements may vary with person to person. Hence, scientists have divided to have standard measurements. Instruments like scale, tape and survey chains are used to measure distance and length of objects and lands.
How can you measure the length of scale and taper?
So, they already have measurements. With the help of those, we find the length and distance of other objects. Scale has millimeter, centimeter and inches on it. And it can help us in taking measurements.
Yes.
What happened, Joe? Why are you so excited?
Now I know how to measure anything.
Really? Then tell me the circumference of this bangle.
It's actually... Bob, it's very difficult here. See, it's not straight. It's impossible.
No, Joe, it's very easy. Take a thread and put it along the bangle like this. And mark its ending with a marker. And take this thread out and measure the thread with the help of scale.
Wow, Bob, I was wrong. Really, it's very easy to measure.